Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Realme C67 device. Well, many applications continue to run in the background even when they are not actively being used. These background processes can consume battery power without the user realizing it. Okay, and then let's go to the tutorial. First thing, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. And then here, you can scroll down. After that, please select the battery option here. And then in this section, you can tap on the first option, battery usage. Okay, and then here, if you are scroll down, and then you can click the down arrow and select view by apps. Okay, and then here you can scroll down to view any application which draining battery power on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.